Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So, in this tutorial, I will explain you the containerization tool. Generally, in the real time, people are deploying the applications, right? So, in the before this containerization, so people are deploying the application directly on the either physical machine or virtualization machine, means VMware, VM server. But after implementing this containerization, so there are huge benefits in the software level and in the hardware level. There are huge benefits, and especially it will be saving your project cost. Okay, so that is the reason mainly people are prefer to use this containerization tool. So application side, how they are deploying in the physical machine directly in the same way. So how the people are accessing the application in the same way when you deploy in that container, but when you deployed your application in the container, you will get more benefits. Okay, so we will see slowly what are those benefits and what are the advantages, how it is impacting, how it is reflecting your project cost. So all these details we will discuss in the tutorial. Okay, and nowadays it's a containerization is a booming in the IT industry because of so many real-time projects people are using this containerization tool. So in the market there are various tools available. Out of those, Docker is a very popular tool. So Podman is there, Rocket is there. Out of those, this Docker is very popular, and it's a open source as well. You know already the meaning of the open source. So they will provide the source code, and it's a free of cost. No need to pay anything to vendor. So you can go and simply download it and you can use it. So the containerization means normally if you want to deploy your application, so only application source code is not sufficient. So you have to arrange the binaries, you have to arrange the plugins, you have to arrange some properties, okay, and libraries. All these things you have to arrange. But if you go with physical scenarios, I mean without containerization, so all these things you have to arrange, thereafter you have to go for the deployment. But when you use this container, so everything it will arrange. So whatever the product you are using, that product will arrange. Okay, we will see, not an issue. So slowly we will jump into the subject, then we will see all the scenarios. So here I have classified into three major parts, which is the container management. Okay, so container management and image management. Okay, thereafter orchestration. Okay, so I have classified into three parts. One is container management, second one is the image management. Okay, then orchestration. First we will see what is this container. So I told, right, there will be a huge benefits. So what are those benefits, and the life cycle of the container, and how the moment you create a container, so what will be happening in the back end. So all this stuff we will discuss, and how to create the container, then mainly how to deploy your application. So in the real time, so the customized applications will be there, right? So how to deploy your customized application in the container, okay, in the form of container. Then after that we will see the image management. So in the image management, with the help of the image only we are creating the container. Then so with the help of the image only we are creating the container. So with the help of the image only we are going to create the container. But don't worry, as of now, just image means we will discuss later on all this and all. So image means, so with the help of the image only we are creating the containers. So in the image management, we will be discussing what is this image, how to create it, and before going to image, there will be a Docker file. With help of the Docker file only we are creating the images. And I told right the customized applications. So how to create the image for the customized applications. In the same way, how to create the Docker file, how to write the Docker file. There will be a certain instructions, Docker file instructions. We will see all those. Then we will try to create our custom application Docker file. Then we will create the custom image. Then with the help of that image, we will create the container. Okay, all these things we will discuss in the image management. Thereafter, we will be jumping into the orchestration. So definitely orchestration is a tool. Definitely you should be using in the real-time projects. Okay, there is a only Docker containers containerized application is not sufficient to provide the services, provide the support to your end users. Okay, definitely you should use this orchestration tool. Thereafter you can provide the effectively, efficiently providing the supporting to your end users. Okay, so in the orchestration again we will be discussing the containers only, but the orchestration tool what it will do, it will orchestrating your containers, organizing your containers, managing your containers. All the things we will be discussing in the orchestration section. Okay, that's it for this video. So in the next video, so we will be discussing the container management. So we will discuss what is this container, what is this Docker, how to create, what is the life cycle, all the things we will discuss. Okay, and I told that benefits, huge benefits are there, right? So all those things we will discuss. Okay, thank you guys.